Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Disabling read receipt on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats, also three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on settings. Here you are seeing different buttons. Click on privacy. Now you are seeing read receipts option, also a toggle button in front of it. Turn it off. Now your read receipts button is turned off. Now no one will be able to know that you have seen their messages or not. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.